In this tutorial, I will show you the use of isalpha function in Python. Isalpha function mainly checks any string contain all alphabetic character or not. The syntax of the isalpha function is like this: string dot isalpha, and it does not contain any argument. And if all the characters of a string is alphabet, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. First example is a very simple task of using isalpha. Here, first one is the first string value is an accent, and it is all alphabet. It contains all alphabetic character, and its return value will be true. Second one is mix of alphabet and number, so it will false. Third one is all alphabet, but it contains multiple word. For multiple word string where it also contains space that is not alphabet, so it will return false. And fourth string is a mix of alphabet and number, where number is at the end. And third one is an email address where @ symbol exists, and which is a special character, not alphabet. So it will be false also. Here we can see only first output is true and other four outputs are false. In the next example, validate data with isalpha. Using isalpha function for validating any data. So here two input will be taken: favorite color and the price of a book. First, the color value is checked, and if it contains all alphabet, then it will return true, and it will print your favorite color. And second, it will check the price. Price value must be any numeric data, so it will be false. And if it is false, then it will print the message the price is the inputted value. Okay, I will save it now. So favorite color, if I type number here and if I type string here, then it will show the other output. Type your favorite color in verse, the price value must be number. So again I will type here book price, and it is showing the output. Third example, count the total number of alphabets in a text. Here, email address will be taken as an input, and initially the counter value is set to 0. And for loop is used to read the email address, and at the time of reading, where it contains alphabetic character, then it will increment the counter value by 1, and also print the alphabet that will be found in the iteration. And next, it will print the total number of alphabet contained in the email address. Here one error is this thing, that is indentation error. So if you face this type of error in your script, just correct the indentation. Enter the email address. Here we can see in the email address there are 15 alphabets. And this is the last example of isalpha. Thank you for watching.